Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to enable the fingerprint plus pin screen lock in your itel mobile phone. So okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. You all have to do is go to setting in your itel mobile phone. Okay guys, here in settings, select security and location. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in security and location, okay, you'll have to do is go to device security. Okay guys, here in device and security, okay, you can see the fingerprint. Okay, click this. And after that guys, click next button on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, we need to choose screen lock on your itel mobile phone. Okay guys, here in this tutorial, I will show you how to enable the fingerprint plus pin screen lock in your itel mobile phone. Okay, you'll have to do is select fingerprint plus pin. And okay guys, we need to set the pin. Okay, pin must be at least 4 digits. Okay guys, for my example. And after you enter the pin, okay, you'll have to do is click next button and re-enter your pin. Okay guys, after you re-enter the pin, okay, you'll have to do is click confirm button. And okay guys, notification. When your device is locked, how do you want the notification to show? So okay guys, there are 3 options. The number 1 is show all notification content. Second one is hide sensitive content. And lastly is don't show notification at all. So okay guys, I choose don't show notification at all. And after that guys, after you select, click done button on the lower right side on your screen. And okay guys, we need to set security question, but you can skip this, okay? To skip this security question, you all have to do is click skip button on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, we need to touch the sensor, okay? It's on the back on your phone. Use your index finger. And okay guys, add fingerprint. Okay, keep lifting your finger to add a different part of your fingerprint. So okay guys, and okay guys, the fingerprint are added. Okay, you only have to do after this is click done button below. And okay guys, we have successfully create the fingerprint plus pin screen lock in your itel mobile phones. Okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.